everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. I work full-time and I do Poshmark and Mercari on the side as a side hustle for myself for just some extra cash. And today's video is going to be about some new items that I'm listing into my Poshmark closet and Mercari closet. And I'm gonna let you know how much I'm expecting to get for these items. And I did not thrift these items. I got these items from my own personal closet, so I wanted to share with you how important that is. That's the first step, is really going through your closet, picking out anything that you don't want, that has no flaws, and that you could resell for. Also, a tip to keep in mind is whenever you go to buy your next purse, shoes, any type of clothing, always keep in mind of, can I resell this? A lot of times if I do shop for myself, I always think about the brand that I'm buying, the style that I'm buying, and if I'll be able to resell it. Sometimes I'll even look it up on Poshmark to see how much I could resell it for, and that way you know when you are shopping that you could actually resell that item and make a profit off of it, so it doesn't just have to go to the wayside. Item number one is going to be a cropped sweater, and this is actually from H&M. So I know that H&M is a fast fashion brand and I know it does not resell for a lot of money, but it does give someone an option if they are bundling in my closet. They may be interested in adding this to the bundle. It is a very, very cute cream colored crop top little sweater. It's lightweight. I like to just put a cami underneath and throw this over top. Sometimes I'll put like a little jean jacket over top with a scarf. I love this. I've worn this so many times. This probably would not go for a lot of money though, so it probably would be between like $10 to $15 range, and then after Poshmark takes the 20%, then that's what I would be left with. But it's just a great alternative if someone wants to add something into the bundle. I feel like this is something that someone might be interested in, especially during this winter time. So I am going to be adding this into my Poshmark and Mercari closet. Item number two is from Express. So again, another fast fashion brand. Although I will say Express can have some pretty high prices, I must say. But this I've had for so long. I love it. It has like the little ruffles on the short sleeve and it's very tight fitting. I feel very like good and confident, and I love the red color. I always feel very powerful with red. I've worn this to work several times or to Christmas parties, and I'll tuck it into a skirt. So I really do enjoy this shirt. I've worn it so many times. Again, my favorite is like this detailed part right here, and it is very soft as well, size small. So this I'm going to be listing in my Poshmark and Mercari closet. I'm not expecting a lot, maybe $12 to $15. So super cute, simple, and not expecting a whole lot because it is, you know, more of a fast fashion brand. Next, it is another fast fashion brand. Not all of them are in this video, but these three have been. So this is from Forever 21. It is a cropped cardigan, and what I love about it is this like flows down in the front and then it's cropped in the back. And I feel like this pattern is like your typical winter pattern. It's not something that really goes out of style. So again, it's like cropped in the back and then hangs lower in the front. I think it's so cute. And the colors are like a gray, black, and maroon. So really cute. I'm expecting like, again, $12 to $15 for it. And it is a size small, Forever 21 boutique in excellent condition. This next one I absolutely love. I just don't wear it enough. I've only worn it like to a Christmas party the past 2 years, but it is Ralph Lauren. So I love it. It's very red, very bold color, perfect for Christmas and the holidays. My favorite is the sleeves. It's a bell sleeve. When you have it on, it just kind of like hangs down like that. It's just very classy and elegant. I love it so much. So I am going to be listing this. It is a size medium. I no longer really have a need for it. It is a little bit big on me. I wish it was a size small, but I have tucked it into a skirt before, and you could wear it with like a black pants or something like that, but super, super cute, but I will be listing it. And I'm expecting like $20 to $30 because that one is a newer style and excellent condition, and it is a better brand. This next one is Lauren Conrad. I've had this skirt for so long. I have worn it so many times to work with like leggings and boots, and I just feel like this style is so cute. It has like the scallop bottom, and it has the buttons down the middle. I have worn this so many times. I absolutely love it. It is just so darn cute. Yeah, I love it. I love it so much, but I have worn it so many times. It needs to go to a new home now, so I will be reselling that. Not expecting too much from it. If you aren't familiar, Lauren Conrad, I used to watch her on The Hills. I was like obsessed with her on that show, but this was like years and years ago. But she does sell her brand clothing line at Kohl's, so it doesn't sell for a lot. I would say like that is probably like $12 to $15. This next one, it took me a while to consider. This is Kate Spade. It is a skirt by Kate Spade. I love this so much, but I have only worn it like 3 or 4 times in the past year and a half, and I wore it to a Christmas party. I guess I go to a lot of Christmas parties. I wore it to a Christmas party. It has like the zipper down in the back, has like this little ball design on the zipper, and it is a size 4, and it's so cute. I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm done. Like it's ready for a new home. It is so beautiful. I love it so much, but yeah, definitely ready to pass it on to someone else. So I need to do more research on how much I should be selling it for, but at the very least, I want to get like 35 to probably like 35 is my lowest that I'd be interested in reselling it for, but I definitely need to do my research on looking up exactly the price that I want to resell it for. And the next one I have is a Zara skirt. It is a size small. I love this skirt. I have worn this so many times. Again, to work. I just put leggings and boots on with the skirt, and I just think it's so cute, and it's like a really cool fabric. It's like really stretchy, and it's a size small, like I said. I'm probably, Zara, I would expect like 15 to 20 bucks for this skirt at the least. So green, I've worn this to work, to parties, to out and about. It's just really cute. So you can wear it spring, winter, fall, doesn't matter. And then the very last one, this is fast fashion again. It's H&M, so I'm not expecting a lot. It's a white sweater dress. I've worn this so many times. If you guys haven't realized from this video, when I buy clothing, I rewear them over and over and over again. I try to have a small, my personal closet, I try to make it small, and just like sell as much clothing as possible and have a small amount for myself. I don't know why I'm like that, but I rather buy gym clothes versus like everyday wear. I don't know why I'm like that, but I am. So this is a white sweater dress, like I was saying, by H&M. I love this. I've worn leggings and boots underneath. I've worn this to work. I've worn this out and about to dates or special occasions, stuff like that. So you can dress it up, dress it down. It's just really that simple. I love it. And not expecting much for that, like 10 to 15 bucks. And then the very last thing is this Cabbie Jacket. So it buttons. I love this jacket so much. I've worn this to work a bunch of times. It is a linen little jacket, and I just think it has like such a cute like detail in the front. And then it has like buttons right here, and it fits perfectly, but I did thrift this one, so I am planning on like reselling it for a good value. So I'm expecting like at least 20 bucks for it. But yeah, it's like super cute, and I feel like even though it is the old Cabbie tag, I feel like it's still fashionable. It has like a cute detail. I did sell an Anthropologie like jacket like this before, and I thought it was sold like really fast. It was green for a decent price. I think it was like 45 or 50 bucks on Mercari. So I figured that this probably would sell as well because it's like still a trendy style. So yeah, that is everything that I'm going to be listing soon in my Poshmark and Mercari closets. I always link my Poshmark and Mercari closets in the description box below. So if you're interested in any of the items that I shared with you all today, definitely go check those out. I do, if you are part of my YouTube family and have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I do give you a special discount. So all you have to do, if you're interested in any of my items, all you have to do is mention my YouTube channel and I will give you a special discount on top of that, just to show my appreciation for you guys watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So definitely, if you're interested in any of those items or any items in my closet, definitely mention that you have seen my videos on YouTube and I'll send you a special offer. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned about some of the brands that I will be putting into my closet. And if you are interested in any of them, please let me know. Also, leave your closet name in the comment section down below. I am going to be doing this every single video, is sharing other people's closets, but you have to leave your closet name in the comment section down below, and I will do at least 5 shares and I'll follow you back on Poshmark. So please, please, please go ahead and comment your closet name down below so I can share some of the Posh love with you all. But without further ado, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please give this one a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here and stick around for some more videos. That's it for me today, so I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!